Morning ma'am, my name is Rehan from class 3rd D. Today I am showing my first English dictionary. A for autumn, A for arrow, A for axe. B for boat, B for bed, B for bowl. C for cap, C for car, C for carrot, C for cake. D for door, D for drink, D for duck, D for drops. E for earphone, E for envelope, E for eggplant, E for ice. F for fish, F for fan, F for fry pan, F for flag, F for frog. G for grapes, G for grass, G for grains, G for gramophone. H for honey, H for hands, H for hat, H for handkerchief. I for ice cream, I for ice cube, I for igloo, I for ink pot. J for jug, J for jacket, J for jar, J for jam.